Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing amazingly because I am doing amazing myself. How are you doing? How is your day? How is your morning? How is your afternoon? How is your evening? How is everything? How are you doing financially, emotionally, mentally? How are you physically? For me, I'm doing great. I thank God for the day and I thank God for everything. Unajua, ni funny that I start my videos and I don't introduce myself, but me myself, like, if you've come to watch my video, you know me. But my name is It's Kadambi, as it says on the YouTube channel, and this is our YouTube channel. Welcome, my lovies. I have more love for you. If you're watching this, I love you so much. For that one view of yours, you mean a lot to me. Na msisahau tunaenda mbali. Of course, we're here to make memories and to have more memories and fun. Yeah. So I just did my hair. And yeah, my salon is just left. Na nimeitengeneza hivi kwa sababu sina nywele huku, ni kama zimekuliwa, but zitamea tu, nazipea tu mwezi moja alafu zimee. So guys, we have amazing news. As I said in my last video, this is my birthday month. The month of September is my birthday month and I'm so happy. I turned a year older and I thank God for that. Yeah, the reason why I'm filming from the kitchen is because kitchen iko na light mingi sana for my videos and I like it. So guys, as you know, we shot a video about a shopping haul. Bado sijaziweka na huko juu, bado ziko hapo, but don't mind. So guys, my hubby decided he's going to give me something for my birthday and I'm so happy and I'm so appreciative and I feel very good because this thing is something that's going. I've been praying for, been wanting, I've been talking about it, I've been telling him I want this, but it seems like irreasons, and he bought it and I wanted to. I've already removed the box, so I hope you're guessing what it is. So nimetoa box already, but it's something amazing and we're going to check it out together. I'm so excited. Wapi makofi na nduru na neema. I'm so excited guys. I'm very excited. I just want to leave this video here so that in the next like 2 years or 3 years or even next year, I can just look back and feel happy and just appreciate God for how far that He has brought us, you know. Yeah, that's why I say these videos are for memories. So if you want to see how far I'm going, you better stick around, you better be here, and we will be reminding ourselves and be saying, do you remember the first day you bought this? Do you remember the first day you did this and you're so happy? And I'll be like, oh my God, tumetoka mbali. Oh my God, tumefanya hivi. Yeah, I feel nice. Yeah, so let's go without any other further ado. Check it out, okay? Oh, it is in the sitting room. As you can see, there is a box. I guess you're going to tell what it is. There is a box. I'm so excited about this purchase. Oh my God. It's pretty expensive, but it's the thought that counts. That he just sat down and thought that he should get the love of his life, this one. Oh, I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. Oh, I'm crying. I've already cried in the morning a lot, so I'm not going to cry now. So yeah, it's going to help me a lot and I'm so happy. I can't wait. So 1, 2, 3. So here is the box, and we have a new fridge. Yay! We have a new fridge, guys. We have a new fridge. We have a very new fridge, guys. I'm so happy. I'm the happiest. Oh my god. I'm the happiest. And it's a van. I'm so happy. I'm happy. Look at that. Look at that. Ah. So yeah, that is our fridge. So yeah, we'll continue buying more things, and I will keep you. I will just be showing one by one as we buy more. So yeah, for today is the fridge, and I'm so happy. I can't wait. You know, I use like nikibuy ice cream nakula and it smells. So if I buy one in my freezer, you know, sasa narrative ina change, itakuwa like get the juice in the freezer, get me the ice cream in the freezer, give me the tomatoes from the fridge, 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 fridge. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy for this milestone. Yeah, and I can say that I'm so happy for my birthday gift. Yes, guys, so I guess that we're going to end the video here because hatuna kitu ingine ya kushoot. And yeah, so I hope you're going to have a nice evening. I've not even eaten. I want to eat, so I hope you're going to have a nice evening. I hope you're going to enjoy yourself, and we will see you again in our next videos. Bye.